Well, guys, what can I say about Vine Therapeutics? They are just not doing very well. This is one of my biggest potential losses I've ever invested in, and we're going to talk about it. Hey guys, I'm Johnny, and if this is your first time watching, I show you my investing journey as well as other things that we talk about here, like stock, credit, finance, real estate. I dabble in a little bit of each, and that's why I enjoy talking about them, because I'm constantly researching information on all of the subjects. So, yes, as you heard, Vine Therapeutics is not doing great, and I have a big loss on this, but I have not actually sold my position, so it isn't a it's not set in stone, really. Let's just say that. But Vine Therapeutics brought in sales totaling only $126,000. That's not very much for Q2. That actually is a 281% decrease, which means there's a loss of $8.48 million. Now, that's not great, guys. That's the latest news. That was in September. Company's at 24 cents. That's what we are currently at. I am holding about a $850 bag, and that's just how it goes. Now, the EPS, I believe, on this is, let me see, earnings per share, a negative 13 per share, which it beat the prediction of a negative 17. But come on, guys, let's be real. If anyone has been watching my channel long enough, knows I do not like investing in anything that has a negative earnings per share or a negative or even low PE ratio. And this is one of those companies I thought, hey, I can make some good money, and I like the way the company is going at the time. This was way back, I believe, in 2020, before they did the stock split, the reverse stock split. I've been averaging down for quite some time, and yeah, so that's kind of where I am on this. What is my average share price? Let's see if I could show you guys that. Right here, I have a position here of 248 shares at $3.5, at $3.50, and we're at 24 cents. So, my thought was, well, what if I continue to average down? I would actually have to put in like tens of thousands of dollars to get it to a low enough point where it is now 24 cents. Let's just say I got it as low as 25, 30 cents. I would still need to hope it goes up a few cents. And with tens of thousands of dollars, I believe I would probably push the price up slightly. And I just don't have that kind of money to invest and average down. But nonetheless, I will hold on to this company, and I will create good information for you guys to follow. I'll update you more. I have a ton of Vine Therapeutic videos going into details about their topical skin creams, and even some of their technology or science research and development that they were doing before the pandemic we had, and how that all played out. And you guys can watch those videos. As for now, there's just not enough research. There's not enough news or really information on this company. They're still giving it a buy rating, which is, I believe, insane. They're giving it an 83% buy rating and a 16% hold. Their price target is at $1.5. Average would be almost $5, and their high price target of $10. Now, I don't understand how they're able to continue with this 6 analyst saying it's a buy rating with these high price targets. That's why I will continue to hold. As long as you don't sell your position, it is unrealized gains or unrealized losses. I'm just going to continue to hold, and eventually it may bounce back up to even the $3 mark, which is just slightly below the average, and I could even just sell out and get my money back. Probably ain't going to happen anytime soon, but that is where the number one biggest loss I've had, and actually really only loss that even goes over like $20. I mean, it is the one and only loss. And when they say lose big, that definitely was big. But it could definitely bring some long-term benefits or gains, and it could also go to zero. That's kind of one of the things for investing. Now, I've been holding this company for actually probably several years now, if not a little bit more, but I believe I've had it since probably 2019 in this area. So I've actually held on to it for quite some time, and that's just one of those things. I don't have any intention on selling it, and I will keep you guys informed on any of new news that comes up. And I'm doing this video for one of my subscribers who asked if there's any new news or information on this company and what are my thoughts on it. My thoughts on it, guys, would basically be if you can invest some money into this company that you don't mind them holding for years to come, money you don't mind losing. This is definitely a speculative play on my part. Even after doing a lot of research on this company, it's still a spec stock for me. And in my opinion, there are people holding larger bags in the thousands, if not $10,000s of dollars. They are holding. I mean, this position when they did the stock split went down like 50, if not like 80%. So there are a lot of people out there who are holding, hoping that it'll go up. And there could be a lot of people that already sold and claimed their losses. So in my opinion, now would be a good time to get in because it's only a quarter, right? I mean, how many quarters can you invest? But in my position, I'm up like by $3. $3.50 position, 200 and something shares. There would be no benefit in me selling at the moment. So I'm just going to hold out and see what happens. And I will keep you guys all updated on this. I actually have a ton of other videos on Vine, so you could check them out. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.